Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix showing error code. So first of all, this error code could be an internet issue. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi. You can also try and reset your network. For that, come below at the software, type in network reset. It will show up under system settings. Launch it, select reset now from this button. Select yes. Now it will automatically restart your device. Go ahead, do so, and see if it changes anything. You're gonna have to check if your application is working properly, so simply type in Netflix. Or if it's not working properly, you're gonna have to uninstall Netflix and then easily install again from a browser or maybe Microsoft Store. Now this is the last thing that you could try. Press Windows and R, type in CMD and then enter. It'll open up your command prompt, type in ipconfig //DNS. Once you see the successful message, close your command prompt, restart your device, and then go ahead about using Netflix and it'll work.